Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3 continuation of exercise 3.5. Now problem number 4. Prove that cos phi theta equals 16 cos power phi theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. Question number 4. Prove. Consider cos phi theta. Cos phi theta can be written as cos of 3 theta plus 2 theta. We have taken like that, no, the 3 theta, we know the formula for cos 3 theta as well as cos 2 theta. So that the phi theta to be taken as 3 theta plus 2 theta. Here this is of the form cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y, you know the formula. Cos of x plus y, that is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here x equals 3 theta and y, that is equal to 2 theta. Can substitute in that formula. That is equal to cos 3 theta into cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. That is equal to cos 3 theta into cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. That is equal to cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Then cos 2a, 4 formula there, you have tried the formula in terms of cos, because look at that RHS all in terms of cos only. So this cos 2 theta to be replaced by 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta into sin 2 theta. Sin 2a formulas 2 sin a cos a, here 2 sin theta cos theta equals multiply 4 2s are 8 cos cube theta into cos square theta, that is equal to cos power 5 theta. If you multiply these two, you'll be getting minus 4 cos cube theta minus 3 2s are 6 into cos theta into cos square theta cos cube theta minus into minus plus 3 cos theta into 1 is 3 cos theta minus, between these two I take sin theta as common. So write 3, if we take sin theta as common, 3 minus 4 sin squared theta, because we have taken one sin theta as common, into 2 sin theta cos theta. That is equal to 8 cos power 5 theta minus 4 cos cube theta minus 6 into cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 sin theta into sin theta sin square theta into cos theta into 3 minus 4 sin square theta. That is equal to 8 into cos power 5 theta minus 4 cos cube theta minus 6 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 into sin square theta can be replaced by 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta formula 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta 3 minus 4 into sin square theta formula 1 minus cos square theta. Now look at all in terms of cos only. Okay, now we can further simplify 8 cos power 5 theta minus, okay, like terms only. Here itself we can add it, so no problem at all. Minus 4 cos cube theta minus 6 cos cube theta together minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 into 1 into cos theta minus 1 into cos theta minus cos squared theta into cos theta is cos cube theta into 3 minus 4 into 1 4 minus into minus plus 4 cos squared theta. That is equal to 8 cos power 5 theta minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 into cos theta minus cos cube theta into 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 4 cos squared theta. That is equal to 8 cos power 5 theta minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 into, multiply these two, minus 1 into cos theta minus cos theta, we plus into plus plus 4 into cos square theta into cos theta cos cube theta 4 cos cube theta minus into minus plus 1 into cos cube theta is cos cube theta minus into plus minus 4 cos square theta into cos cube theta, that is cos power 5 theta. That is equal to 8 cos power theta minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus into minus plus 2 cos theta minus into plus minus 2 4s are 8 cos cube theta minus into plus minus 2 cos cube theta minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8 cos power 5 theta. Okay, here cos power 5 theta, here also cos power 5 theta, together 8 plus 8 16 cos power 5 theta, that is equal to 16 cos power 5 theta. Next one, cos cube theta minus 10 cos cube theta minus 8 cos cube theta together minus 18 minus 2, that is minus 20 cos cube theta. Yeah, this is minus 20 cos cube theta. Finally cos theta, 3 cos theta plus 2 cos theta, that is equal to 5 cos theta. Like terms, 5 cos theta, that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Look at that, 16 cos power 5 theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. Here it is. This is LHS. So problem number 14 is completed. Then I will be teaching that problem number 4 is completed. Then I will be teaching that problem number 5 in the next video. Thank you, children.